right, if they watch me live on Wazobia TV, still on Warri trip to Warri, street yarn, I tell you. And I see there for inside Ikpesu market as I talk to you like this. And I did for the garage side. I be not be so. The garage side, so I come in so can share my maybe say they control things for this area. And then they make things they happen. The job when I want guess so, they say I must get out for here. Oh boy, they are father, go punish them. You are here.
Listen to me, people.
Yeah,
you know one thing, if you like everybody in this place, stuff, you know. In this time of tribulation, trials, and judgment, so you have dread man that have to step over. Can you hear what my people have to say? It's only a job fearing man that can step over. Me have to tell you all of the people that have standing in this place that Babylon can't step over.
Yeah, man.
What?
Man, there's something, you know, man. You chant well, man. What I am saying now, can you vibrate on, man?
A true talk, man. Me have to give you upon this song that is called that if Jah have to stand upon up in our side, why can't we be afraid of the pestilences that become upon in our life? That's me have to say. I mean say Jah is standing by my side. Why shall I be afraid of the pestilences that come on my life? I mean say Jah is standing by my side. Oh, why shall I be afraid of the pestilences that come on my life? Listen, somebody time when the bad mind people that they come face right, Jaja children down. Oh, we fit defeat them because we know we have the Almighty Jah. Somebody time when the people that they come try Jaja children them down. Oh, we fit defeat them because we know we have the Almighty Jah. And me say Jah is standing by my. Why shall I be afraid of the pestilences that come on my life? Lord of mercy, Jah is standing by my side. Oh, why shall I be afraid of the pestilences? Listen, wash out. Me say, Ajamo Kangangado, Aliwere Masun, Ishakrineri, Okurenye Ewano Shuna. Ajamo Kangangado, Aliwere Masun. Ikpereneri Okurenye Ewabo Shuna ho.
Good, still on the matter on Wazobia TV. Me myself I rap. I don't know what I single. I hear the sing rubbish now, but we like say we understand what we talk now. Like back anybody they go where still on the matter. Everything sound properly. You they talk. You self they talk patois. So you the help person they vibrate.
They vibrate like
when person the verse, they help on the verse for corner.
They make us change that. They make us
how long you don't do this place now?
For 30-something years.
30-something
I was born and brought up here.
In this place.
Well, my neighbor is here.
Your neighbor there.
Well.
Where you keep on for here?
Oh, Okrubas maternity from there. Okrubas maternity.
That maternity.
Well, Okrubas maternity, yeah, from here. Well,
Nigeria. In the defunct Benin State of Federal Republic of Nigeria.
Okay. What you want now? That's talk your mind. I don't see many things they pay you for my talk.
Ma talk my mind.
Talk and provoke.
I dey provoke. Ma talk my mind. I need development.
I need development.
Well.
For which area?
Amenities in my community.
Amenities.
In my community. This is my community.
Unitary.
Unitary Ikpesu.
Ikpesu Unitary. Okay. Now that woman they talk of whether they will share area, share market and all that. I mean, not that woman they talk there that time. Okay, that one not be all right. Unitary. Which one be Unit 1?
Unit 1? No, this Unit 2. Biggest is the headquarter.
Biggest is the headquarter.
Well, that is the Ikpesu.
So what you now they lack for Unit 3?
We are lacking a lot of amenities.
Talk and you don't call
we need education, proper education to train the children.
Proper education to train the children. No, normally. You
hear me? Development. That is development. What is development? That is job.
Okay, that's all the matter. I'm going to like back it talk.
Yes.
We don't make you talk for back. Talk and you need waiting. You don't need yourself.
What do you say in the answer? Answer the question.
Waiting. Now this unity, what do you say now they lack here?
The major thing we they lack for this unitary, we need job.
Work.
Job, yes, work.
Development.
We need job opportunity. Then another thing we will need again for this place, we need education, good road, like the Ikpesu market road now.
Not good at all.
It's not good at all.
Even when I drive the car, I see the way the thing they sound.
Yes, so yes, so yes, so.
Talk am.
Like important thing, this is our market, this is our Ikpesu market. We dey beg, because I see some area like say you dey go this place to the cell phone. E get some market we dey discharge all this fruit there, which I know say that not be market. I will get many places where they fit carry that market. They enter here so that our market will dey boom. Our young girls them we fit get store. You understand me? So that business go dey go.
But you know say. One thing when we say before, Ikpesu when I know Ikpesu place, na area we say yes, people business be the boom before.
Yes.
When they talk of 95, 99, 96, all those kind of period, 2000 things they happen where. When I went big come happen that time,
yes.
where everybody take off. I know say yeah, couple like saying I hear they take the through the whole Kalashi that time, you understand?
Yes.
So you sure see not those things cause and fear people take wrong.
Really, all these things they are among. You understand me? But now our eye don't open. No, we don't need fight again. You understand me? So that lost glory we still want them back again. But the most important thing are the youth them. Because if hustle is not there, you will see you there the street they do your things. Yes, if everybody get hustle, you see how we coordinate. Now happiness, job like this. Now, so we invite people to begin to the salad, they enjoy themselves. You know, but we pin not there, but they crack the air to go see people fun. The rest, so the most important thing, now job, now the priority first, now be the beg with the beg, so that things go feel the go. Now, so the matter just be, and the end, they die there.
Okay, there's still the matter on Wazobia TV. Bros, you want to talk another one?
I just want to contribute about this aspect that people have just said about this place. And you see, the opportunity of getting job is about the things that we have on ground. You see, I will use this very opportunity to please beg the Federal Republic of Nigeria, the federal government of the Federal Republic of Nigeria to please elevate the Warri port, because this is a good port that is going to take people along. Because we're talking about job now, how can we get those jobs? If this port is being opened by today now and the port is running well, I believe that a lot of youths is going to go there to work. So the federal government should be trying to make sure that they put all facilities that are the government infrastructures that used to develop the country initially in place.
Okay, there. Why I say if it is here and go there after and I'll start say maybe some people for this area they not go school. See where this guy they speak. Go no say yes, they speak well. Oh guy don't go abroad before.
Sometimes I used to see them here.
I say you don't go abroad before.
And oh no.
And oh no, simple questions. And sometimes they see them for here. Wait to concern me and say Mama, how far are you there? You say won't spit.
Yes, I stay in the area.
You won't spit too, Abby?
I don't want spit. I live in this area.
I say you won't spit. Maybe
I
1
want
year.
yan, yes. I want
Maybe
yan.
the meaning of the Langwana.
Okay.
All right now. How far are you there now?
Are they fine?
Now this area you stay.
I'm very privileged to live in this area because I like the
They
area.
answer many things. No.
Now so now.
I worry.
I worry now.
Then they really carry
They
last.
take one question, they answer 10 questions.
10 questions.
Now so now. How you there now?
Are they fine?
How your home
Are
be?
you call the interview now?
Yes, how your home be?
This one I tie red for next week.
Now to mash my bag
You
now.
sure not too much.
Now so.
Okay, you as you carry red bag.
Yes.
Wait, as you carry red bag.
Yes.
Wait first, my brother. You get where to go. As you carry red bag, no
yes.
to think much. I can go look for one white and kashi
Yes.
tie neck.
Now
So
so.
that I go mash abi.
Abi one more
Now
bag.
by force to mash.
Now mashing.
How far are you there?
I did now this Ikpara they stay.
Now this para they stay.
Yes,
Where
sir.
be your corner here?
I did the back of that upstairs, that green upstairs.
That green upstairs.
These two children are my children. See them.
Where then?
Come, falling.
This 500.
Yes, falling.
I know that.
Come for the Wazobia
Come on.
TV.
All this your children they set to. Then say you go set when you young go.
Let make their papa attract me now.
Your father attract you, I mean you attract them.
No, now me attract their father.
Madam, this one not there. Your children don't leave you.
No, they don't see their papa not get chance. They are shaming shy.
Yeah, she me shabby.
Yes.
All right, if you watch me live on Wazobia TV, my name remains MC Shaggy. I see the flares on the Warri level, still on the matter on Wazobia. Oh shit, street here, but this one not be street here. They go down Ikpesu yams. You know that kind of thing. Now. Quick there, madam. Thank you very much. Now where you dey go now?
Me. Now, if I not in my house for upstairs, now yeah, they can't stay, they relax. They stay with my boys.
They just cash your phone.
Now then, I be the people they make me they enjoy the area.
Now the boys make.
Yes, so now make me they enjoy the area.
All right, I like
That
what
my-
this woman talk now.
That are my
So
advice.
now your advice be that.
Yes,
I dey like
Gayo.
the guy. Wait, which one the guy? All right.
That na JB.
Uh-huh.
That na Ikpesu. This na Pastor Maya.
Who be
In fact,
Pastor Maya?
Yeah.
Oh, I like you. Now you be Pastor Maya. Now you never tell me your name, sis. Oh, by Pastor Maya, if you see the guy, I know this guy, they come for roses.
He go change. Even Papa Ayo. Papa Ayo no Ojo Road boy.
Oh, well, Papa Ayo no Ojo Road boy.
Yes, Ojo Street. Quote me.
Okay, Pastor Ayo.
Now Ojo Road boy. Yes, no Ojo Road boy. Ojo Street. Back of Oteri compound. I meet talker. I don't know if you show me for television.
You know, say Pastor Ayo, they do before his.
When my late brother, all of them, nobody will God know they arrest. Once God arrests you, you are a changed person.
You are a changed person.
All things will become new. All things shall pass away.
That kind of thing.
That's so.
I don't too much. Give me a high five.
Because
Because of you, I'm going to come this area.
Not shaking.
It's too much. We know our place now, be confirm. Still on the matter on Wazobia. What you go happen now? Be say, I don't like the segment. I like the forum when I take now, and I like end the program for this one now. This segment, I like end that. Man, guys, not too much. All right, if you watch me live on Wazobia TV, my name remain MC Shaggy. I did for Warri, the main town. They say when they did the heart of Delta State. Now they are this, but the heart now, the government, they don't make a heartless. That kind of thing, because heart not did there. Because hunger, everything.
Hunger did this, Sarah.
I don't say hunger did.
Hungry day. Hungry day.
We don't have passion to
We even want to make the government come bring like some kind of relief to us. Rice, tomato, meat, flour, our cooker. I'll volunteer the catering work.
You volunteer the catering work.
Because sometimes we will not see plenty rice shop.
Nothing like that.
We go downtown and go shop.
Now go downtown.
Yonder.
Yonder. Quick, mother, let me close the show. Tell us to watch Wazobia TV.
I beg, I go advise everybody that they watch Wazobia TV, because Wazobia TV now the rainy TV now, where everybody like to listen to. Thank you.
And they watch and not be listening.
Okay, watch and listen now. When you watch, if they talk, you go listen.
All right, so let me matter. Quick there. Why I say, oh shit, feel it. All right.